12th, different ways to prevent water pollution. Water pollution refers to the presence of harmful substances or pollutants in water bodies. It happens when untreated wastage and 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 pollutants are discharged into the water bodies. As a result, the water of sea, river, lakes, ponds, reservoir, and groundwater get polluted. The major source of water pollutants include untreated industrial waste, domestic dumps and garbage, thermal power station, agriculture, pesticides, and insecticides, etc. The water pollution are discharged both directly and directly through human acts as mostly responsible for water pollution. Sometimes water may get polluted for reasons beyond human control, such as volcanic eruption, soil erosion, natural mixing of mineral while at sea, etc. Water pollution may disturb human life to a great extent. It is highly important to take steps forward to prevent water pollution. Prevention of water pollution. Here are the top 12 ways to prevent water pollution. First, sewage treatment. The household water should be treated properly so that they become environmentally safe. Adequate care should be taken to ensure that effective sewage treatment process in place and the contaminated water does not get mixed with the environment. In order to prevent water pollution, human and animal etc. should be prevented from mixing with its sources. Construction of pit toilet and proper sewage treatments can offer some solution in this problem. Second, prevent river water to get polluted. The flowing water of the river cannot be cleaned easily by natural process. Since a large number of external substances are discharged into the water, the river water becomes polluted. This may cause diseases to the people using river water. Thus, every effort should be made to prevent the river water to get contaminated. People should not be allowed to throw wastage into the river water. Third, treatment of wastage before discharge. Factories are expected to treat its effluent wastage prior to discharge. The toxic material must be treated chemically and converted into harmless material. If possible, factories should try to recycle the treated water. Fourth, strict adherence to water laws. Laws and legislation relating to pollution should be strictly followed by all. People should be made aware and adherence to water laws are in their own interest. Fifth, treatment of drainage water. In cities, a high amount of water is put into drains every day. The water that flows through the city drainage system should be properly treated. Harmful pollutants be removed before they are introduced into reservoirs. In this water allowed going into water reservoirs without treatment, it will pollute them. 6. Treatment plants. Big cities and towns usually have effluent treatment plants. These plants filter out undissolved material. Chemical treatment is also given to separate out unwanted dissolved chemical. The treatment water is either allowed to go into the water reservoirs or refused in houses. Occasionally, the treatment water is used for farming if the fields to the irrigated lie in the vicinity of water treatment plants. 7. Keep the pond water clean and safe. Bathing of cattle in the pond that is used by humans should not be done. Washing of dirty clothes and bathing of cattle make the pond water dirty and unsuitable for human use. If these ponds are continually misused, then it may lead to the serve consequences. 8. Routine cleaning. Ponds, like and well meant for human use, should be routinely cleaned and treated so that it remains fit for human use. It is an essential step that should not be avoided. A system of regular testing of pond and lake water can be introduced to ensure the safety of the water. 9th, don't pour insecticides in sink and toilets. Never pour household insecticides, medicines, etc. down the sink, drain or toilet at homes. People often throw wastage and old medicines into the bathroom toilet. This pesticide is discouraged for the lesson that the chemical compounds of medicines, insecticides, etc. that when mixed with other chemical may result in formation of the harmful substances. 10. Self-hygiene. Self-hygiene must be maintained and drinking water must not be polluted. Drinking water should be kept under cover in a clean place. One should not put his hands into the drinking water containers. Also, the practice of cleaning the drinking water reservoirs on a regular basis need to be strictly followed. The water meant for drinking should be purified prior to use. In the absence of good water purifier, it is recommended to drink boiled water. It is also important to prevent waterborne diseases. 11th, sanitation system must be improved. The benefits of cleanliness or human health need to be understood. Human contact with hazardous materials should be prevented after using the toilet. One should always use the flush and wash their hands with soap and water. 12th, public awareness. Common people should be aware about the effect of water pollution. Voluntary organizations should go door to door to educate people about environmental problems. They should perform street plays for creating awareness and about the environment. They should run environmental education centers. Should can impart health education to enable people to prevent water pollution. There were above in brief the 12 basic ways to prevent water pollution.